Artificial intelligence is reshaping the global economy at an unprecedented speed. Yet, when we look at the adoption rates, a stark contrast emerges between Japan and other leading economies. Today, we are analyzing the AI gap, not just in technology, but in mindset. Recent data indicates that while over 60% of US enterprises have integrated generative AI into their core workflows, Japanese implementation hovers around the 15-20% mark. This isn't just a statistical difference. It represents a fundamental divergence in business strategy. One of the primary drivers of this gap is the cultural approach to quality. Overseas markets often favor an agile mindset, launch, fail fast, and iterate. In contrast, the Japanese um, meticulousness and desire for perfection before launch can act as a bottleneck in the fast-moving AI landscape. There is also a difference in how AI is perceived. In Japan, AI is often viewed strictly as a tool for automation, a sophisticated calculator. Globally, the shift is toward viewing AI as a co-pilot or a creative partner that enhances human cognitive capabilities rather than just replacing manual labor. Corporate governance plays a massive role. Many Japanese firms block access to AI services like ChatGPT due to security concerns, while varied global competitors are finding ways to sandbox these environments to balance risk with the necessary of innovation. Japan's early success in the digital age has ironically created a legacy trap. Deeply entrenched legacy systems and older IT infrastructure make it difficult to simply plug in modern API-based AI solutions, requiring a more complete digital transformation first. However, just has a unique motivator, a shrinking workforce. While other nations fear AI will steal jobs, Japan needs AI to fill the labor gap. This demographic reality suggests that once the initial hesitation is overcome, adoption could skyrocket out of necessary. Goldman Sachs, Goldman Sachs estimates that generative AI could raise global GDP by 7% for Japan, suffering from long-term stagnant productivity. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a potential economic lifeline. The gap represents trillion in untapped value. To bridge the gap, the mindset must shift from era of elimination to managed experimentation. Um, to manage the experimentation, we need to encourage small scale internal testing, empower individual employees to use AI tools, and reward efficiency gains over hours worked. You don't need to wait for your company to change. Start with personal reskilling. Audit your own daily tasks to find repetitive processes. Launch small pilot projects using AI to demonstrate value. Be the bridge in your own environment. The gap between Japan and the world is not a gap of capability or intelligence. It is a gap of willingness to embrace the unknown. The technology is here. The question is, will we choose to use it to its full potential? Thank you for investing your time in your own growth today. For deeper insights, I have prepared a resource list including my homepage, detailed articles on Note, and my published ebooks. All links are in the description below. If you found value here, please subscribe. Let's keep learning together. Thank you for listening.